July 2021. This is Kuohurinne Svalbrinken 4 staircase, and this is the last staircase in this residential building here in Louhela, Vantaa, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Finland. And all of these elevators were modernized in early 2003, between 2002 and 2003, but originally built by ValmetSchlieren in 1969. They're 50 years old in 2019, and Mosaic will be 20 years old between 2022 and 23. And here the staircases, D and D are the best ones, as they have 7 floors and all floors are open.
Yeah.
The 3 other ones have 6 floors. Still not bad, but and all the doors were replaced with automatic doors on every floor in each staircase. The serial number is 1842. Has these 3 pairs of door buttons. The buttons are bumping here. It's also bumping staircase D. It will be inspected in the next year, 2022. Let's see if it offices. Yeah, it's probably saying on the ground floor.
Yeah. Spektiittaakin me eteenpäin on.
Yeah.
That's